we have red onion, celery, grapes, vegan butter, vegan mayo, balsamic reduction, green onion, parsley, almonds, vegan bread, and vegan chicken nuggets. First step, what we're gonna do, you're gonna take your vegan chicken nuggets, place it into a hot saute pan. I have a little bit of oil in there, and we're gonna just get a nice golden brown, about 2 minutes on each side. So my pan was really hot, only about a minute. Look at that, nice golden brown color. And that's all we're looking for. We're gonna do the other side. These things cook pretty fast. So after all your chicken is cooked off, we're gonna dice it up in small little bite-sized pieces so it mixes together well. We're gonna place it all into a mixing bowl. Oh, now after all your chicken is diced up, go ahead and we're gonna start adding all of our other ingredients into the bowl. When we're adding our mayo, we wanna be careful. We want everything to be creamy, but we don't want it to be sopping. So add your mayo slowly at a time. And then we're gonna finish it with a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. You wanna add some garlic powder, now's the time. That's it. Come with me right over here. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna toast our bread next. All our ingredients are mixed in the bowl, set aside. Come on over. Non-stick pan, medium heat. Drop the vegan butter in. We're gonna melt that down. Now here's what I like to do. I like to put dry herbs inside there. Creates a lot of flavor. Not only in the butter, but also it's gonna infuse into your bread, creating awesome flavors. So, whatever dry herbs you like, I like thyme and I like basil. So I'm gonna sprinkle some of that in the butter. And then we're gonna take our bread and we're gonna rub it down and rub it all over. Make sure that butter coats all sides of the bread. So you get that nice golden brown, and then you'll see all those herbs grabbing to that bread. All right, there you go. We got a nice golden brown on our bread, nice and toasted. It's got some nice infusion of herbs. Gonna taste great, awesome flavor. We're gonna finish this off with a little bit of balsamic reduction. Let's start building this vegan chicken sandwich. There it is, vegan chicken salad sandwich. Sexy! Let me tell you, everybody liked it, but you talk too much, okay? You talk too much? Ready? Okay.
Hold on, the other one's now.
All little bite-sized pieces, and then we're gonna place them to a mixing bowl. Should I redo it?
Yeah.
Okay. I feel like I don't know. Something happens to me. I don't know what happens. Okay.